Hello and welcome. My name is Sonia Ross, and thank you for joining me today on this guided meditation. Before we begin, I'd like you to take a moment to just gently settle into your body wherever you are. Just notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and just connect with your breath. Today's meditation is focused attention to settle the mind. So we're just going to do a little gentle check on where we are in our head and our heart and our body. Just think if you've had time to connect with any of these parts of yourself today. Just think about why you chose this topic, how your belly, chest, and head each feel as you reflect on this topic, the emotions that you can associate with this topic, the positive and negative impact of any stories you believe regarding this topic, the fact that many in the human family are feeling very similarly to you right now, how you might feel around increased awareness around this topic, and how you might bring mindfulness more into your day-to-day life. Let's begin. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle your body into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft focus, looking downward with your feet in front of you, or gently gazing at your hands. Allow your spine to lift and your shoulders to soften. Today we will practice focused attention. During this meditation, you will focus on your breath. Think of a metaphor of resting a snow globe or a jar of muddy water onto a table. As we let it settle, it naturally becomes more calm and more clear. The mind is very similar. As we focus our attention on the breath, the mind and the body begin to relax, settle, and become more clear and to feel more free. Taking a full breath in through the nose and a long, slow breath out through the mouth. Taking a full breath in through the nose and a long, slow breath out through the mouth. Observe your breathing. Notice how your breath flows in and out. Make no effort to change your breathing in any way. We are simply noticing how your body is breathing. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as the air passes in and out. Bring attention to a slow inhale and a long, slow exhale. When your attention wanders, as it will, focus again on your breathing. There is no rush. Notice if any thoughts arise, but don't hold on to them. Just let them pass through your mind. Simply let the thoughts pass and bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the stages of a complete breath, from the in-breath to a subtle pause to the out-breath, the exhale, and the pause before taking another breath. Notice the slight breaks between each breath. Feel the air entering through your nose. See it in your mind's eye, flowing through the nose, then down to your lungs to nourish you. Feel the lungs expand as they fill with air and relax again through the exhale. As thoughts arise, simply allow them to pass and return your attention to your breathing. Let's finish now with a full, deep breath. Nice and slow in through the nose. Pausing for 2 seconds. And out through the mouth, long and slow. And as you've released that breath, return to your normal breathing and notice your breath flowing through your body right now. If you want to bring more mindfulness to this practice, try a listening practice today. In your next conversation or meeting, practice putting all of your attention on the person you are speaking with. And then reflect on what impact does bringing your full attention to a conversation have on you or those around you. And I'd also like to offer another practice. As you're in conversations today, just focus in on how your breath is feeling in your body. Whether you're in a meeting or talking to someone or at home with your family, just notice the rise and fall of your chest and notice this awareness. Make this connection with your body and just be present with it. So my name is Sonia Ross. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like this meditation, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We post weekly meditations twice a week. Until we meet again, thank you.